Hi guys, welcome to Veurink's RV Center. We've been family owned and operated since 1954. My name is Parker and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the brand new Fleetwood Irok. It's a Class B motorhome, very compact, very stylish, very modern. Really excited about it. Let's take a look at it. So this is the FSL layout from Fleetwood RV and their new product line in the Irok. We were very excited about this. It has a lot to offer at a really great price point. We're sitting on the 3500 Dodge ProMaster chassis with a 3.6 liter Pentastar engine, which is going to give you great gas mileage. We want to talk about the interior. We'll get to that stuff later. Back here is going to be where your main seating and sleeping area is. You have two bench seats here, and then your sofa here. This will actually fold down to be a bed for you. A ton of storage throughout this entire coach too. We're going to have all of our systems back here. We're gonna have our solar charge controller, we're gonna have our tank monitoring, our water pump, and our tank heater, and then we're gonna have one spot for our generator to turn that on as well. That is gonna be a 2.5 kilowatt LP generator for you. And then we're gonna have one radio system back here because you have two separate radio systems up front, and then for your system back here. And we're gonna have our BluRay disc player here too. Storage here, and then storage on the other side here as well. One thing I love about this coach is the way that they do the wood. It's a hydrographing design and process that actually gives you a really nice glossy finish, but it actually helps hold up over time as well as compared to comparable methods of doing that, and it looks really good too. Here we're gonna have a really nice wardrobe spot, hanging bar all the way across, and then we're gonna have our convection microwave here as well, which is gonna be very convenient and easy for you. You do have a TV back here too, so if you want to watch news at night, or if it's a rainy day out and you want to put a movie in or something like that, you can do that as well. So your kitchen here in the Irok is gonna be a really great setup too. You're gonna have an induction cooktop, which is an electric cooktop. It actually boils water faster for you. It is a little more efficient than the gas top too. You're gonna have a nice countertop space here and the side of it with an outlet here. A really nice size sink with a pull-out faucet. Easy to clean up all those dishes afterwards. Your fridge is gonna be down here. You do have a little traveling lock here that you can put on or off. Good sized fridge with a little freezer tray above it. And then we're gonna have some storage below here too with 3 drawers. And then here we're gonna have our wet bath. One thing I like about this is that it's a one-piece fiberglass surround. And we do have LED lights there. Nice size in there, fiberglass, quality shower. Alrighty, so here in the dash area, a lot of things to talk about, a lot of exciting things too. Just a really nice, clean dash setup, very easy to access everything. They kind of put on their own touches from Fleetwood by kind of doing this here and stuff. It's not just your standard dash that's sent from Dodge when they send the chassis over. You're gonna love the way this thing rides and handles. Yes, it's a Dodge chassis. Yes, a lot of those are gonna ride the same, but the difference is gonna be the seats. These are actually made by Fleetwood. They're custom seats. They're not just your standard seats, and they're extremely comfortable. You're gonna have no problem driving for long hours if you're heading down to Florida, if you're heading out west, heading out east, wherever, you're gonna be comfortable in these seats, and that's a big thing. One thing I like about these kind of chassis and these Class Bs is you have a lot of legroom, whether you're a driver or passenger. Very easy to be very comfortable. They try to think about you as much as possible. You have 3 cup holders down here, a smaller one here, but you have USB ports, 12 volt here, and a lot of little shelves to put things, whether it's magazines, phone, tablets, laptops, whatever. You have more storage up here too. Just a very nice feel and setup, a very easy radio to use here too. That will be radio, navigation. You can connect your phone to it if you'd like. You do have a backup camera on this as well with the lines, so if you're backing into a spot or if you're towing something behind you. And then you also have, you can look at your fuel economy and how much you have left on here too. You have a compass there as well, but very easy to use. Tells you the outside temp and all that. You do have the option of the mirrors coming on in too, so if you're in a little bit of a tighter parking spot or whatnot and you need to put them in, you can do that. You can put them back out as well. As far as what's here on your smart wheel, you do have answer and hang up phones, so if you're connected to Bluetooth and you get a call, it's very easy to do that. You do have control of radio volume, and then you can search the channels with this as well. And then you're also gonna have voice control, and you can actually cut off the sound if you need to too. So a lot of conveniences for you, a lot of easy to use things, and making it very simple for you. All right, so here on the exterior of the IROC, we're gonna go over a couple things. One, its sleek design and its look. I think Fleetwood did a really good job with what they were trying to accomplish in it, just looking really modern and very sleek. You got the sporty kind of wheels here, the sleek looking front here. It's kind of cut back, a little more aerodynamic with that Dodge logo on the front there. Patio space, a really nice size awning here that comes down and gives you a little bit of a tilt, so some water runoff for the rain and whatnot. You do have an LED light strip right here, so at night you have that lit up space for you. But yeah, really cool look. I want to show you on the other side here your water hookups and your outside shower that is equipped with this coach too. So you have your outside shower here if you're at a beach, you want to rinse off feet, if you want to rinse off dog's feet, something like that. And then you're going to have your water hookup, your black tank flush, whether you want to fill your fresh tank or use city water. And then you have your gray tank there as well, and your cable hookup too, and your power source back here, your sewer outlet. But as you can see, just a really sleek kind of look. Love what they did with the IROC name here. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my walkthrough video of the brand new Fleetwood Irok FSL Class B Motorhome. Just gonna take it out for a quick spin, see how it drives. Very excited about it. If you have any questions, feel free to stop on in and ask for me. Again, my name is Parker, or give me a call. You can reach me at 616-965-9605. If you found this video helpful, please go to our Facebook page, like the page, and leave us a comment and let us know how we're doing. Also, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and like the video. Thanks, guys.